In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what you can safely change, and a few tips to keep your books clean and accurate. The chart of accounts is the backbone of your bookkeeping. It organizes every transaction into categories like assets, liabilities, income, and expenses, which drive your reports and taxes. Because it's so central, small edits can have big effects. If you're unsure about changing account types or structure, consider checking with your accountant first. Renaming and adding descriptions are usually safe, but changing an account's type or detail type can shift how past and future transactions show up on reports. Let's get started. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, look to the top right and click the Settings gear icon. This opens a menu that gives you access to the main lists and preferences. In that menu, choose Chart of Accounts. This takes you to a table of all your accounts. You'll see columns for name, type, detail type, and balance. Take a moment to browse and locate the account you want to update. If you use subaccounts, make sure you're looking at the correct level, since edits to a parent account affect how subaccounts roll up in reports. When you found the right account, move to the far right of that row and click the small drop-down arrow. This reveals options specific to that account, such as viewing the register, editing details, or making it inactive. Select Edit. A window will open with the account settings. Here, you can adjust the name to make it clearer, refine the description so your team uses it consistently, and if your company uses account numbers, confirm or adjust the number to match your numbering convention. You'll also see the account type and detail type. These control where the account appears on financial statements. Be cautious with these fields. Changing them can reclassify existing transactions and alter your statements. If the account should sit under another account, you can mark it as a sub-account and choose its parent, which helps organize similar items together. Once your edits look right, click Save. QuickBooks applies your changes immediately. After saving, it's a good idea to spot check your profit and loss or balance sheet to confirm everything appears where you expect. If you renamed an account, verify the new name shows up in transaction forms going forward. If you changed the type or detail type, review recent activity to ensure it still maps to the correct category. That's it. With these steps, you can confidently fine-tune your chart of accounts and keep your financial reports accurate and easy to read.